What's up everyone, it's me Bae. I'm here today to do a skincare tutorial. So if you guys would just stay tuned and watch the entire video, you guys will see my entire routine of how I keep my skin looking popping. So right now I just have Dr. Bronner's almond soap. This soap is very potent, so you do not need much, and I do dilute it with water. It also does not lather up much, so you won't see much lather here, but I assure you my face was clean. Now you guys just see me using some warm water, and I'm just washing the soap off of my face. So here I'm just checking my face out. I do have extremely dry skin, and it was very dry prior to me doing this entire process. So if you guys do have dry skin, I can assure you this will probably work for you as well. So here I just have a mixture of olive oil and sea salt. All I do is just lightly go in circular motions around my face to get the dry skin off. I do like to go around the area that I'm working on now, right under my eyes and as well as my nose is dry areas for me. So you may see me working in those areas a little more than others just for that reason. But again, guys, do not do this hard because it can irritate your skin because the sea salt is extremely hard. So just do this at your own discretion. Don't forget to get those crusty lips, ladies, so we can have kissable lips for our man all 2020. Alright, so once you finish your exfoliation process, you can just take a warm, wet towel and just wash your face off. Alright, so now I'll be applying the Freeman avocado and oatmeal clay mask to my face. It's a soft mask that you just rub onto your face, so it's not one of those that you have to peel off. It cost me about $3 and I purchased it from Walmart, and it does last a while. A little goes a long way. You really don't need much at all. And by the way, guys, if you want to see how I did my beautiful jumbo faux locks, I will link that video into this one so that you guys can go and watch that and you can be on fleek and cute just like me. So now you'll just see me using cool water to wash this mask off of my face before it gets really hard. I leave it on for 7 minutes and then I just wash it off before it becomes too hard, and then I have to scrub it off. Okay, y'all, so lastly, I will be taking these cotton rounds that I purchased from Walmart, as well as some aloe vera juice and witch hazel that I also purchased from Walmart. I will just be placing the aloe vera gel and then the witch hazel on top of that and just rubbing that on my face to moisturize it. See me applying some olive oil on top of that aloe vera gel and witch hazel mixture just to help seal that moisture in and so that my face can remain moisturized throughout the day. So that's all that I have today for my tutorial. So if you guys can please like this video and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. And you guys have a wonderful day.